Welcome back, and I've got something completely new for you today. You know I love gadgets, you know I love gizmos, and you know I like making videos for this channel. Well, I've just received the new HOVERair X1. Check this out, and I'm going to unbox it with you guys so you can see exactly what's in this. Now, the reason I got this was because I make a lot of videos and I'm on my own. I haven't got a cameraman or anybody else to film, and it's all very well putting the camera in different places, but it's always good to get an aerial view, especially when I'm walking around or I'm going into places where I can have a camera follow me from above and really get that sort of wide view so that you guys can see exactly what that's all about. And that is why I've got the HOVERair X1, because it does exactly that. Now, I am going to unbox it. Then I'm going to take it out for a spin and I'm going to tell you all about it. So maybe if you're doing a bit of content or you're a solo traveler and need to get some footage, this could be your next purchase. Let's get into it. Let's get unboxing now. I ordered the combo kit, which means you get the HOVERair X1, you get a battery charger and a spare battery, because the last thing you want is batteries running out when you're making a video. So let's have a look. I tell you what, I love good boxes. I don't know about you, but I keep all my good boxes. I can't chuck them away, especially if they're really cool like this. So first impressions, that's a good solid box. I do love a good solid box, but look at that, check that out. Beautiful, look at that. Right, let's get in and see what is in here. Right, immediately, obviously, you've got all your instructions. Now, as a male, I tend not to read the instructions. I don't know about you. I tend to go straight in, but they are all there just in case you want to have a look. And I have had a look at some YouTube videos as well to see what to do. What else we got? We got another little section here, which looks like, let's have a look. Oh, I do love a nice soft bag as well. When you buy cameras and stuff like that, you get one of these really cool bags and pouches. To be honest, I tend not to use them too much, but it does protect them. But I like the feel of that. And you've got, well, you've got your charger, your Type-C charger. And then finally, there it is, the bad boy itself. Look at that. So this is a tiny drone. Now, I have got a normal size drone that can do everything that I need it to do. But although that's quite small, that's really to send really high up. I mean, you know, hundreds of meters in the air and get like proper drone footage. Sometimes when I just want to get a shot of me maybe walking somewhere or walking into a hotel or walking around a reception area or walking on the beach or something like that, then I don't want to send a massive drone up and get it all out and put it all together. So look at the size of this. It is tiny. It'll fit in a small bag, probably fit in your pocket as well, which is ideal. So great for traveling. If you're a solo traveler and you do sort of Instagram and stuff like that, this could be an ideal opportunity to save you some money because it's a lot cheaper than a big drone and to get you the shots you want. So let's have a little look. Okay, so it's super lightweight as well. I mean, proper lightweight. And it's got, I mean, look at that. When you open it up, that is it. So it's got sort of your propellers here, which obviously make it fly. And it's got this plastic sort of surrounding in case it bumps into anything on the way. And this is the clever device that will follow you. Now, it's got a number of different options. There's the camera look at the front, and it's got a number of different options. You can set it to follow you, so you can be walking along and it will literally recognize your face and follow you wherever you go. You can do one where it sort of zooms out. So for example, if I was waving goodbye, I could send the camera up and I'd get that lovely shot of a goodbye, farewell, see you later, which is great for outros of videos as well. And it's also got one that goes around you. So you can be in one position. And you know, you've seen all those Instagram videos where you've got somebody standing there and the camera goes up and goes around them. So it's got all of that as well. There are other ones as well where you can lie on the floor and send it up and get that sort of zoomed out angle. I don't think I'll be using that one, but for me, the walk around one is fantastic. You know, my channel is all about sort of walking around different places and showing you different places. So this is perfect for me. So you've got a sort of quick guide here that shows you about the takeoff and landing. And you do download the app as well. So let me go and download the app and then I'll show you. Okay, so app's downloaded. There are some videos that show you all the different shots you can do. And when you connect it, it's all very simple.
Current mode, follow.
It connects to your phone, tells you what mode it's in. And on here, you just select the hover and away you go. So it's got all different things. You've got to activate it, connect it. A few beeps to confirm that. And there you go. On here, you've got all the different settings as well. So you can set it from your phone or you can set it from the actual hover itself. So you can change all the different features. It's also got the album on there as well. So anything that it films, you just get it and download it straight to your phone, and then you can edit it however you want. It actually records as well. So you can record via your phone or even connect a microphone to your phone if you want some good quality, and it will record onto the hover's video. And there's a special feature in there that removes the noise of the propellers. So that I'll be trying as well. We are going to take this out, so make sure to stay to the end of the video because I'm going to show you all the different features and what it does. You'll see me using it, and then I'll give you an honest review and tell you what I think at the end. So hang around and see what I think of it. But let's have a little look. So we've got the different flight modes on here. So I can tell you that the hover mode will actually just hover in the air. You've got the zoom out, which I've already told you about. You've got a follow mode. The orbit mode is the one I told you about that goes around and around. There's one called bird's eye, and that's the one that lifts up. You've got a manual control as well, so you can actually control it manually. You've got one called snapshot and one called dolly track as well. And dolly track is when you're walking towards it, it will fly away from you, getting that sort of real presenter mode. So it is so professional. So it says on there, all you need to do to send it up is to hold it here, point it at your face so it recognizes your face, and press that button once.
Standard. Follow.
And there you go. Now if I got up and walked off, it would follow me for sure. Shall we try it? Come on. So there you go. I'm all the way over here and that is following me. I'll see how far it will go. This is so simple. It's following me all the way. I think there's a way to get it to actually come to you wherever you are to land, but I'll have to learn that and tell you about that later. But look, you literally put your palm out, and there you go. Check that out. That is really cool, and so far I'm really impressed. Now I'm going to take this bad boy out. I'm going to learn how to use it first of all, and then I'm going to show you exactly what it does, and I'll give you my honest review, tell you how much it costs. Well, and then you can make your own decision if this could be your next little toy for your content. See you in a minute.
So this isn't one of these techie videographer videos. I'm no techie at all, but I tell you what, it is plug and play. It was really simple to use, and this is ideal for traveling, and that's what this channel is all about. It's all about people on holiday, people traveling, and if you want to get some amazing footage while you're here and you don't want to be messing around with different camera equipment and things like this, this is lightweight and portable and will just do so many cool things. Look at this, just a lovely walk on the beach. Now you couldn't get this with a phone. You could probably get it with some professional cameras and equipment and drones, but this is just something you can stick in your pocket, travel around and get them Instagram ready videos that will take you to the next level. What do you reckon? So you saw there, I tried the orbit mode and I tried every single mode on there. They are super cool. Now my channel involves a lot of walking around and showing people different places. But even if you're on holiday, either as a solo traveller or in a couple, the last thing you want is somebody messing around and filming you. So if you're having a little romantic walk down the street, you just want to capture some memories, or you want to get some footage for your Instagram or your social media, whatever you do with it, this is great. You literally just set it up and go for a walk and see all the sights. And you know what? When you look back on this footage, you'll be seeing things that you missed for sure. Reliving memories is what it's all about when you're traveling, and the last thing you want to be doing is staring at a phone or a camera, and that's what happens when you're filming things. You don't really take in the moment, but with this you can take in everything around you. You can put that phone away in your pocket and you'll be able to get some memories to take home and show other people. It'll even have a little seat with you as well, and will hover around while you take in all the breathtaking views. Now if you want an outro and you want to say goodbye to everyone, well, you've got this one that goes right up into the sky, and of course you've got your standard goodbye. Fantastic for everything. What do you reckon? Could this be your next travel gadget?